In this video we will show you how to make a callback appointment on our website. Go to our website. Click on the green button. The next page is for now in Dutch, but you can still operate it by following the steps in this video. You will see two options. If you would like to talk to the doctor, select the first option. Check if there is an availability. If there is no possibility to book an appointment, that means the booking time has already passed and the call list is already full. In that case you can try again the next day. When there is availability, choose the time you would like to receive the call from doctor. Then enter your details and finish the process. The best time to call us is early morning before 9 o'clock. Thank you for watching.